dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will
You actually go off now.
This variation, normally more
You still don't
noticeable
sound
and
yourself.
greater distance from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. Once the warning alarm tone, DSW Airport, Fair, 56, East
You did not go off for a second time.
Now Dallas. On your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Tonight, mostly clear, current, and wise. This concludes the test of weather radio station KEC 55. Thanksgiving Day, sunny. A less than 20% chance of showers in the afternoon. The current time. You're listening.
Hey.
Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday,
What
partly
is this?
sunny in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the lower 60s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Friday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Saturday,
That's
mostly
on.
sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Saturday night, cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Lows in the mid-40s. Sunday, mostly cloudy. Cooler with highs in the lower 50s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Colder with lows in the mid-30s. Monday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s.
You have to go off.
Mostly cloudy.
Might as well just take the batteries back out of here. Knew it'd happen.
Lows in the upper 30s. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Weather outlook tonight for North Texas. This afternoon and tonight. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Thursday through Tuesday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. The ultraviolet index forecast for November 23rd is 3 or moderate.
Huh. What did happen? No.
This is the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system for weather radio station KEC.
Wait, you're going the wrong way, bud.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated.
Now you went too far.
Impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver. Through tonight for North Texas. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Collin, Rockwall, and Tarrant. This concludes the test of weather radio station KEC 56. Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC.
What is wrong with you? you not? You didn't go off for either. Well, first, because the first one, I didn't have the RWT set. Didn't have the RWT alert set on. Well, it's on. What's wrong with this guy? Is the decoder bad or what? That's weird. That is totally weird. You didn't go off for either RWTs. Well, first, cause on the first one, yeah, I didn't have the RWT alert on. And the second one, I just don't know why. Why weren't you focused? Why won't you go off? Oh, whatever. We'll just have to wait for this next one. Also, I got a haircut earlier. Don't you think I look beautiful? Also, what was that? Don't you think I look nice? Because I just got my hair cut earlier. Okay, that concludes the RWT. The PM RWT of today. So, yeah. Hope you guys like my vids. Comment, like, and subscribe. Go off for the next RWT! Radio Shack 12-262! And see you guys in my next one. Peace.